In this video, I will show you how to get the Mr. M bot token in Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So currently on Monopoly Go, there's a new event running, which is the Gift Partners event. So you can view the details by clicking this button here. So at the time of recording, there is currently 5 days and 9 hours remaining, and the grand prize for actually completing this event is, as you can see at the top, 5,000 dice, a sticker pack with one new sticker, the new emoji, and the Mr. M bot token. So in order to obtain the Mr. M bot token, what you need to do is complete the event. Now to do this, you're going to have to invite friends to the event. So what you want to do is click onto any of the open spaces, and you can go ahead and invite friends to this event. Now what I would recommend doing is inviting friends that you've previously completed similar events with. As you know, they are active and you're more likely to complete the event. What you need to do is basically go around and collect the pieces. So you can see on the board here, the pieces look like this. You can also obtain these in the daily wins packs, as well as the free gift, which is available in the shop every 8 hours. Sometimes these also contain pieces to spin the wheel. So all you need to do is keep spinning the wheel, and basically what's going to happen, you're going to fill up the bar on each of your different events, and once you've completed all 4 of these different mini events, what's going to happen is you're going to be rewarded with the grand prize, which of course will contain the Mr. M bot token. So that is how to go ahead and get the Mr. M bot token in Monopoly Go. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.